seeing the faces that you know, the faces that entertain you, the faces that you love, and content creators that are really close to your heart.
President Abasha, President Amafelo Abiki. Maina
Hey monna maina gape. Le ba go ba itse segana. Akiti mona re simolang lo.
Ra dumedi sorry ra nne mon. Ra dumedi sorry. Re tsena la go sulo.
Di mona re tsena fela. Dumelang ba gaetso. Ne ke ba bolela ne ke a promotional video. I don't know what we're gonna call this thing.
What thing?
But we're gonna do
like
it.
Caption yan.
Yeah, but we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna wing it. Ke segment in Chanyana trying to follow influential people. I don't wanna use influencers. And like la influencer ke le tlhaloga.
Ka se tswana ke eng?
Mona we. Ke botsa wena.
A ke itse le nna. Tswanetse re go le kreya le re o leo.
It's just yeah. But I feel gore ga o influencer o influential because ha ke lebella di videos tsa gago. You are influencing people in a different way. Influencer ke motho e leng gore o posta dilo and people just do what you're doing. But when are you doing this shit live?
You have to. Because now, I don't know, man. And then e be go itlela natural nje. Ha ke batle gore no fandaga ke go nna so go
itiragala wa bona nna ke the way ke understanding the difference between influencer ya tsoga phakela re ke tsenya makeup chief ke tsenya makeup ke na le content e rileng and I'm gonna push this and I'm in a controlled and a planned man.
Yeah.
When I tsoga and you do this thing.
I nna ke tsoga ke itsamela ke itsenela mo kuleng ke itlhanyetsa ke itshamekela music then botshelo bo tswela pele.
And batho ba itara ba bona botlhanya ba gago go TikTok botsa rona ba re go bona mo di WhatsApp status.
Yeah, I think if unfortunately enough can allow na go WhatsApp then you know right. Just tell no serious.
So we're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna ask questions. Lorena, if you have questions, you can ask questions. It's just a conversation that we're gonna have. Mara batho ba go itse le seganana. Ba itse seganana se ba se bonang go TikTok.
President Abasha. Ba nneile lina nna ke bua ka boganana ke re go bue bojalweng bone ba nthaba rai. O seganana monna. So ke lina la ka ba gaetsho ke seganana le nneile lina so
Maro seganana tlemone.
Ke gana ke seganana mare le nna le dirile seganana gore ya no e nne lina la ka. And nna ke itshamekela ke re go nwa bojala.
Go reng bogananeng ke.
Cause ke go bona ke le ko maboneng go ke inwela bojala ke re man a re tsameng reng go imora re boganane from there.
It was what it is today.
Until today. So no today batho ba mpona go starting ke seganana ke tla reng se ke dumela ke nna seganana. President Abasha, President Amafelo Abiki. Maina mantse mon.
Hey monna maina gape. Le ba go ba itse segana.
A gona nako. So even no a go agirwa bo di poster if ke eng se event. Ke re di bracket segana. So that's how it is. So ke nna segana President Abasha.
So se ke batlang go se itse gore entle ke seganana ke ngwana ka.
Na ke tlhaga krepane go ga thulo. Iteng go ke goletseng teng ko.
O geletse da?
Well, ke tsene sekolo fo Gauteng. Then ke ile ko ke boetse krepane ka jara mama 2009. Yeah, 2009. Kilo wala. Naka wala dut mayo 10.
2009 no bala grade M le mona ke monna mogolo mo
2009 grade 10 yeah 2010 so World Cup ne ke bala grade 11
shit ke monna mogolo mo ska bua yalo ma
yeah
gate motho wa grandpa gago mona ka no motella go adjust
11 batla go bula
o batla go bula fo monna we
ke bala grade 11 matriculate 20 yeah sure 2011 ke fetsa matric teng go grepa ne go Boithaopo high school
yeah e bo boela juice
be ke ataletso ke le tsa electrical engineering
le furutse gona le nngwe ko Mafikeng
yeah Mafikeng campus main campus then
ke mang o mfonelang entleke
ke tlile Gauteng ke botsa Gauteng 2015 if not 16 ke bua la mo Gauteng
o tla go bereka
tla go batla mmereko
monna di CV
o taya kae
monna di CV gens
o print I'm sure o swa kana stala pa je go tlhola a
print
so yeah 2016 17 18 19 20 21
yeah
since itulela ke le ising
no go ntseng go maketa jo
yeah man go le frustrating I remember I used to walk from Midrand mo ke implication after waterfall what one
Sunning Hill
I used to walk so at school we get into the CV ka umbrella ke tsentse maybe apple nyana or beer ke drop the CV ke bue like I used to walk a lot shit I remember the time ke ile Sandton so I left early with my sister because na bereka go Rivonia
yeah
so be ke palama taxi ge ke ya Sandton after ke dropa di CV ko molong ke dropa ha ke fetsa go ra re ke lo palama taxi ke boele Midrand only to find out the taxi di simola ka 3 o'clock and it's in the morning okay and the child take it touring Kenyani I get photo le gore nka re ke palama ga train so ke tshwantse ke ene mo Sandton until taxi di simola I took a walk again to Rosebank. So I walked from Sandton to Rosebank. Feta bo Ilovo, what? Tsena go Rosebank, if I drop the CV. And then I walked again from Rosebank back to Sandton. If I get palama taxi ge boela Midrand. Ngare khobogile.
ba tlhaloga
Ngare khobogile thata gone.
yeah
So let's go ra ke tsamile 22 kilometers that day alone. Alone.
Mona mjo
Because it's 11 kilometers go
yeah
11 kilometers go.
that's the distance it's a mailing for the mere fact that gore o batla a better life gore o submit di CV
Mo go motla bo kra di promising yana go tere tla go founela ra bone video ka ro o apere smart o irang oh kana tsa lo beile phone ele shominyana tsa rena tse di bere ka ntse di tlhele ba re founela ka di landline ra batla mmere go ba re phazamisa mo
e mona ba tina mon
motho a inela simona kra mmere go ta bogela go founela di chomitsa wa e rata gore founela ka di landline yo
na kwa te motho a teng wa itse le gore o submit le di CV o ntse mmolela se mmatla sa teng a tsa gore se rene ke eng botoka o sa nne le CV ye go di submit
o kre be tshwara ka contract with king o ipopa mon butla ya monna ai mara total tshamekela mo go rona yo
dreams shattered
bo ga ntirele call ke bogolo e gore o mfounele straight ka phone wa gago
gore ke nga tsa go batse mon
ka bona o o taboga tota mo
ba ta ba tlhaloganya gore go tlhoka span entle ke go etsang psychology ka it messes you up
re o tima di TV di itseng o batla go nne le silence nyana
peace of mind
a ra go yera ba phone ke ke flame shizele uri ke mang. Wow. So hey, refraining from that thing, hey, ya la pisa.
So how fetsa go submit the CV yalo something yana se tswile or don't
Mall of Africa le teng ke dropa. Then I got my first job go exec to Mall of Africa 2016? 2016 June. I ke dira N6 ko CJC.
Yeah.
Central Johannesburg College. Yeah, towards June I think, just after before ke ya qualify final. Ke qualify power machines. Yeah.
Mona o ka di power machine di exact mon. Tota mona ga le study samba.
Ka ba ile ke le go classing ke create kholo. Ba re mona ra go batla go isando. Serious very the interview. Okay, sharp. Because the following day we get offer. Yeah, isando. So I had to deal. After the interview, I have to get to school on the afternoon classes.
Yeah.
Chele take it on enough for the paramedics. So chele take it during Kahobuela High. So I'm trying to divide into two chele te hore. Ka palama taxi kaya Joburg. From Joburg I no ke boele midrand te gape. Chele ngwe gape so ha e tlhakane.
Ha e tlhakane.
Be ke tshwara train. Out.
Metro rail.
Hey, Metro rail. Ke tsamaye ke tle ya mon.
Kuchu.
Ke le bone jeresi mo di formaling. Ha ke tsana go sekolong class ile ba e cancel.
Etle mona.
Ha ke tsana go sekela. Ke kopana le batho ba ka thanang le bone ba kwatile ba gae. A monna ke nna o le gape ke tlhatloga ke re ke a bring ya go palama taxi ke re ke boela midrand. After maybe a day or two e ba mfounela ba exact go shopong ge straight.
Yeah.
Ba re ne zwakala re batla go bona. Ile nna ke a ke kaparte simple la ke tsena kwa I think batho ne ba le bo my 5. Ba pere monna di formal ba khabile. He monna na ya ber di tracks tunyane ela man. Ka re ne ke sa di far from Mall of Africa. So ke tamile ka maotela ke ketlileng. A ke tsena kwa manager o la re monna. O tlile mo apere yana. Ke re ke re nna le batla go mpona mara ka se tlontse yana ke ra. Ke re okay, tloga di khantse tsa di first impression what
Ke fa
a re bue ge a re ne ai ke tla go fonela ka o sane ge sharp ke ra o ntshepe ra una stress ai ka o sane ke a ntshwara re mona wa simolla ka letsatsi le so ke ra bona stressless first day I think ke tla ke di tlapile ge
ya no ga bona gore ntle ka modone re batla go mo hira ke
ya ke di tlapa be ke tsamaya ge ke Spain tsena re mo kanti be o na le go khaba yana ke ra ya ke go bolela ke re o relax so go be kgetsi ela o tla mpona. Then I got my first job there Gaspana maybe from Spain a year.
Yeah.
And then kaya Makam ka very early thing I think a year or 2 if not 2 years. And the big tsama ke I got a job go Lacoste.
3 span over 3-4 years nyana.
Big tsama ke Lacoste. Le gona Lacoste that thing I was supposed to go bereka go Paul Smith. Then I get tsana kwa ba ra wena look ya gago you do better go Lacoste ke ra a tsama
ne ke re go raya
ra tsama
ke go raya ke re bona ga bua ka bo machinery mona go roster ke re entle ga go bona ke bona motho le diaparo
ka le ra apply man bo exaro ba ra apply sa soli ra apply
na kwa te mona wa apply la fela gore tle mona ga o ka ke ra spy
go sa tlhage sepe bra yaka ke mo ke apply just run rekela data le monna ga ba data e ntse ela dula tse ke apply
ba ro tshameka ka yona go Pornhub ka ndo apply
not even kolonyane la gore ke amogetse client
ke mona tla
tla ya ko kae Mpumalanga
don't
ka mara ha ke sa fele moya. So that's when I started also to go etsa bo music ke dira di beat and then like ke ithuta le go kwala bina like a lot of things nje
mona ha ke lebella profile ya gago ya re MC o DJ o beat maker
like I did a lot of things nje span like I think it was 2 years sa span you do tell ke hopa this other time ke ntsutswa nka tsa ka ina a ka bona ke tsa drop di CV I think it was that time ke le go Sunning Hill
o get from mid rent to
Sunning
Hill
so ha ke bua ke ra man let me just take this moment ke bua le modimo ai mo me ke la ke mo che gra is too much man ha le ke sokola lenyo like ne ke bua le modimo ka re ke mo shebile mo matlhonso I remember I was walking ke ra ya gona yo daidi se baka se kana ke sokola o le teng ke rapela every day
tara hore
ke mana ne ke o mana le modimo yo ke rai o ka se ntirjana man eno abana environment ke le mo gone I want dikoloi tse dintsi go di mo bona everything
mona you see all the nice things
wa bona ka mo ke bo di Lamborghini di a heta o santse no roa tsamao ya bo Mall of Africa like you see a lot of things wa bona
a lot of things are happening around you mara we no feel or mara
no ka se riana adula maybe month or 2 that's when I got that job ya go exact just na go like ra it's too much
no sometimes it's for granted thapelo le gore o feela gore a sho o itseng I've been working hard
ne ka reng ka lla tatile o like
mona gore ke tswa sekolong ke
yo mana mo ke ra di certificate tse dintsi tse di khata se gabete se tara di ra plan man
mare bodimo mo golo kio
so I always say gore man everything
sengwe
it happens for a reason sometimes
ke a tle ke ipotse gore anna hanne dio tse dingwe tse nne modimo a dintimile anna a dimpha a nke be ke tswile go Bozirust imagine fela modimo a go thulisa tšhelete ya salary we ya mogelang gona no le go cry pan o go Bozirust ha o ka kwa tswa Bozirust ka ra go feel gore tšhelete ntsi thata o ja monate sentle comfortable
so marai
it is what it is.
Ka mokgwa ba batlang ka teng
yeah
so tshwantse wa mogele o nna personally I wouldn't work go ke go I wouldn't
no le nna I've made that conscious decision now radio la go ka to go apala
ma re tengo di mining tse go krepane kwa ra apply kwa
mona ga o sa tsela go cry
so wa bona
yeah gore ga o sa tsela go cry pane go teng no ngwana mo gekiwa
yeah man le fana di line da man drop bo di CV bao nothing no call
nothing popping
nothing I've never went to an interview I feel like study thing I've never
are you serious
ka di CV tsotlhe tse ntse ke ga game di certificate tse tsotlhe tse le tsone from N1 until N6 I've never attended an interview wherever Eskom okay
yeah
I've never mara ntšha ne ke apply almost each and every day ke dula hatsi ke na le profile go Eskom sa sol in every day ke drop di CV le mo ke bona gore mo go batliwa motho ona le degree ne ke apply ke re ke ta bona ko pele ya interview gore ke tla ba gore tsang merko ke bereke never
samputse dio tse dintsi
never ke go bona le sa time ke blockile account ya ka yone page ya profile ya ko Eskom a ke sa go plan ke irileng so be ke ba founela ke ba ntha ba re tshwantse ke go ke Maxwell Park Megawatt Park
Megawatt Park Mosaning.
I walked from Midrand at my sister's place ke ya go Megawatt Park after ke tsena then ke ya go department tsa di IT whatever ba tsena mo profile ya ka ba delete whatever that I did there ba blockola dating eo gape ke tla ka maoto ke bo would meet ka la mi drive or ke ntsele ne re go ke gosa ka maoto
ba re yellow bone gorna go no le moshibidi wa itse le tsa le fitse yellow bone
ba ka maoto mona re remember this time ke bona ana a fita mo ka kulo yeng o utlalanya mo get mara
we go through it's like we go through the most
we do some people will look at you like no you didn't have it tough we had it tough but like it was sometimes you know people so organiti
going
bothata ke eng wa mo bothata ke eng o heletsa no nagana dilo tse di baya so I was fortunate enough for
you just kept the faith.
I just kept the faith. Well, I just kept the faith. Okay, feel it as gela. And then Hispanella.
Yeah.
Then
the love of music.
The love of music.
Where does the love of music come from?
Well, music you from way. Obola kabo babu athama fokati kwasa. What? Yeah, we used to dance to those songs. And back then, so, karena gini thatela go tlhola ke opela, ke thatela go jaifa, wa bona le those things.
Yeah.
But after some time, bidi tswa mane mo gonna. Bidi tswa until ke fitla go high school, then there was this friend of mine ke na le go mo checkela. Ana le laptop ana le visual DJ o gopola visual DJ
ke gopola visual DJ
so I used to go there ke go tlalanyana bikinyana ka laptop go ithute go DJ ya wa bo
o letsa di beats fe
o letsa di beats monna kwatlaka wa bo and then I would go back home because Nix na yone laptop so I was supposed to die. Kim shapel around do gidlalenyana then keep wele ke gae. And then after matric I was like nah fuck this music thing. Oh sorry. Music but at the back of my mind and I keep it okay. Ke hetsa sekolo ke sena go hetsa sekolo ya go dira music. After school what rawi udira yang I was like ile wona bo uni bo ba go apply bo nursing wing
tomorrow I did this more imagine if you go take ya what
ya manga be ke le nnete ke fedisto ke batho bile principal ye mo
Diuzeri modimo bera ka sente imagine fela o tsera o to jega blood pressure
Dr. Zeganana
monna
so because I get tsamaya ka go plan ke apply tse nursing computer science ya ke sa go plan that choice ya ke sa go plan and then NSFAS be right Brikarra EPS score what be ya go dula tse 2012 yo ke dutse la ke se ke resebe ke le go ga wa ke dutse khatla sa tlhare ke eno ti o tla go bolela mara ne re eno ti
ba tla ga
re eno ti
o re go fisa o ka ra mara itite ya Zelium e monate mara mona ha wa be skip o fufula toda
o kore ke sa putse no sa pola usbal khitle nga skipa sa teng o e goduma ro e bosile
monna
kore majita ba shapile round ai ba itea ka tee hela rooibos
Ra jentse a gona dibotlolo a gona sepe
wa ela ka mbotlolo ka ra o bereke mo o bereke and then 2013 di ja go simolola go taletso kwa
yeah
bloma le majita mang ba ithu kreile 2 room re tsena go taletso ra msadi mo go nna nthumela 600 every month 300 900 re patala rent 200 re ntshe di 200 ke 600 ra go reka grocery go sala 100 rand le go tlhapa
go fedile ga gona
di chifi di ntshana fanda ga ke nna ke apayang ka o sane ke thuso the following day ke karala solo botswella pele
mona gona nyana
a gona madinyana a rona a sala gona madi a salang 600 le bereka yotlhe
monetle mon
tshwantse mo 600 teng le reke dijo le patele rente o reke dijo tsa go tlhapa tshwantse dijo tse tshwantse di le kgobe until
kgwedi
hela ene o itse go bagolo ne ba nna frustrated ya nga o mo founela ba ye maromela madi ke tla romela madi ba mana
na what o ba bolela gore ka rapha le itlhatlogile mo go bona ga e tlhatloge mona o gereza o le ko tertiary for 3 years ba go fa pocket money le kana o ga o vile 600 3 years e utlwa ganatle ao batho
ene madi a teng ga a change la ile re ene una kreya sengwenyana a jara e hela
wena mo wena
ga di tsene tseo
ga di tsene
a gore ke 700 from 2015 yo go tsena ka 2020 ya o graduate or when finiela yalo nga ba
bona ke ra sotlega tlebana
ba re ke rona ba re feditsa go tshwana no ana tshwantse re he bone madi
no tshwantse re
di change dilo no ya
ene ga tlhaloganya ga o re mama ke tlo go fa 1000 rand 12 months o tla ga tlhaloganya gore wa re wa le bala gore ka re wena nompa
300 matata
eno go gae ke a utlo bua thata ka ausi go gae maoledi o teng time o teng bo malome ore
go gae ke mosadi mogolo yena
all right so go ditse ke mosadi mogolo
o lady o ile then na le bo mangwane bo mamogolo yeah and then my younger brother and then some other
mona ga o le seganana younger brother ga o re ke seganana
my younger brother is ya tshwane le nna tseno ya ka nna yana
very different ne
very different
ke tlhola ke bolela batho ya le
shy
ke re ke na le older brother my older brother and myself we are totally two different people
le two fela o last born
ke last born a re tshwane
jang
mona daimane o tshamekile madaisi daimane batho ba ba go dilelele ba tla bolela gore mona dimane le ska la mona a sa no yana ba ranna ba re mona asa bra ya gago is drinking voodoo
o di ile tsotlhe
Marla gale ke the way older brother safe to don't le she menwana o ros ke rasha menwana
gona le o mo yele o tshwantseng a tsenwe mo gare ga ba babedi a le ka ke la nna sweetile otlhe gore
ra tshwana ga o kgonege
it's impossible ha ika ke ya ba ya nna yalo so nna ora ke nno ke tsenwa ke nna segana
se se
sa go krepane
and then beat making mona ke a utlwa mapiano ke a re tsebe to you what is beat making to you? Is it's a beat or motho a etse beat ya go enele because o re music you put your name on it, you push it, or you wanna start a beat from scratch and do you?
I know how to start a beat from scratch.
Yeah.
No, and there's no genre in Pala.
Okay.
I can produce whatever that I want to produce. If you can come or okay, ke batla beat ya mapiano, I can do it.
Yeah.
Batla Afrotech, I can do. Batla hip hop, I can do
You
it.
can do it.
I ke batle khanza gore no, I can only sing and rap. I can't.
Nah.
Yeah, I can't produce.
Yeah.
So batla gore ke itse sengwe le sengwe. So last year I was also taking the class out DJ, yeah? And I have equipment to go into.
People don't take this thing seriously.
Inge.
This thing of we DJs or beat makers, and we must study if we have to study. Re batla go tsena fela mo staging ka ro.
So I ke batle go gore ke go sene be ke re no ke motho ntse so mara ke palwa ke 1 2 3. I mean, you can't be a DJ and then you how you do producer. It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, so beat making, I can do anything that I want. I want to say some pala.
So ga ise wena mo staging o le MC, if we were to give you a mic and say here's a beat, you can sort it out. Okay, pala.
Yes, 100%. I want to say business kampalang. I can do all through God who strengthens me too.
Ga le tloka MC ya moruti se gana like
ga ke moruti nna. Ga ke moruti wa gaetso. Ke go bojalweng nna.
So waspana yanong braya ka waspana, life is looking a little bit better probably.
It's better.
And then TikTok comes along. I was trying to look for one of your first videos, but it was very difficult to find one of your first videos because you have so many videos.
Last. Because I don't even know how many videos I have on TikTok. Because sometimes na loko bana le batho mo strategy. Wana monna wa tseno. Video la yago ya 1 2 3 video. Ke fenyo.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, oh, video is so. Then I'll go back there and check and then just
and laugh. And like vele go bane ke go betle ke bua moroto.
Because did buy the video tsere le la ke na le go di lebala. So go re kopana batho go monate mara wena monna o tseno yo. Video le ya go bola video la go re eng ke. Se ke dumela hela video ke wa so. Then more like then I'll just go back and check it. Because even starting TikTok.
Yeah. How did it start, babe?
The videos that post more TikTok. Those are the videos that I used to, or those are the things that I would say.
Yeah.
And just post it on my WhatsApp. Then people will laugh. Hey, when I'm now staying, you need to start TikTok. I'm like, I don't like TikTok. Because I heard TikTok, Mari. Neke sangi go TikTok, but I heard it. I hope like I download it. Maybe ki stay once or twice.
Yeah, but it wasn't a thing that you think today it would blow up.
I would be where I am now because of it. Because I would see, but what postly modi TikTok and go WhatsApp, and then I get a TikTok.
Yeah.
So there's at a time, Kirai, man. Let me try this TikTok thing. And then I got post a video. And then you reach a million views. And then after a million views, I was like, I might as well. Because of
yeah.
Akimo TikTok.
Wait,
nige bana ka re ke motshameko ela nna.
Ombola ka gore ne. Ombola ka gore o modest ka first video having 1 million views. Ne? Very, like you are very modest. It's like and it's not coming from but it's not coming from you're not appreciating the love that you received.
Yo,
mara ke tawa ya gore ne ile gore le rela gore dideng ya spana, you know. And ese gore o nyatsa your skill as a person as well. Because o bua ka 1 million views. My understanding is onale almost 217,000 followers, right? Your likes ga ke bue, they're in the mid, more than 2 million. Ga re bua ka your average video, ga re na le di views a bele boma 50,000, maybe 60. I think on average 60,000 views.
50.
Yeah.
Those
are big numbers.
They are, because I like, like maybe you post a video, and then maybe kids go TikTok.
Yeah.
Then maybe after maybe a couple of minutes, maybe 15 minutes, maybe get distracted, get something, get busy, and then I'll go back on TikTok. It's like 5,000 views.
What the?
5,000 in less than 10, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
What? So sometimes that thing like the love that people are showing me, it's too much, and I appreciate it so much, because I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for the love that these people are showing. So I even like it, I'm most at them. Yeah, mona tla selfie always now. The love is too much. It's too much, and at least now my career is heading into the right direction.
Something that you're passionate about.
Because of TikTok. And because of these people that are following me, you know. So
because
I love them so much.
When you say you're going to an event, whether we like it or not, the numbers you are a crowd puller. Meaning the videos whenever you go to a gig, or even sometimes when a gig was not planned and you're like, wait again, at a spot, and it just becomes havoc because of that.
Because of so. And because of President Taifi. Wow, man. So even this other time, Nekiluko was at Madiwok, Nekiluko Madiwok. Right, event thing. So this other guy, I was not booked, I was just going to support.
Yeah.
So I guy, Raymond, it's a favor, can just grab the mic 2 minutes. Yeah. I was like, no, I don't have a problem. But before then, then they came back to the picture, then got a maga or do more fast.
Yeah.
Good level like for to try make we get a highlight.
I was singing.
Rajefa. It was unfortunate that I had to leave.
Yeah.
11 because we were there come 9:30. So like 11 but I had fun and then got to boogie and I was not. Like one monate. Then Kababusetsa microphone, they appreciate it. I know. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. I got blome like I know na bujwala. Then so the love is
too much.
It's too much, and I appreciate the love so much more than anything.
But you don't understand, Jorge. Khona le numbers tse di rekiwang, and because motho rekile di numbers tseo ga di tseye serious. And what I've realized about you is ke teng go TikTok, but sometimes the least I can do ke go like the comments tsa batho. The least I can do. You go through your comments, Chief, and you respond and you reply.
I reply. Even though go TikTok, you can reply to every comment.
Yeah.
Because of it's gonna block you from commenting. Maybe I is it for some few hours or a day.
Yeah, sometimes they do that.
So I
And
go-
about to have understand the whole. Sometimes it's not gore ga o batla go respond. Sometimes it's the fact that gore
You
go
are
na le di
limited.
restrictions.
Yes, we are limited. So na ke commenta, ke like, ke follow batho beke. Because now I think ke follow
Boma 8 hour, 10 hour,
8,000.
boma
And
10 hour.
on
Yeah.
an average, I look at people by long for getting they have got high numbers more than I do.
Yeah.
Maybe follow to be maybe 400. I'm not saying they are
Yeah.
forced to
Yes.
follow, but when I go after each and every video on TikTok, I would go to all the likes and then just press
you know.
follow back,
Yeah.
follow back. And then yeah.
And on one net, but ba bang kore anale, you know, so many numbers of people. Ha o tla go lebella gore o follow batho ba o follow motho wa.
I follow a lot of 400. Or maybe follow out of 3. So now I always go back, follow. Some would even respond, got message, thank you for following me there. Then you respond.
Hey, they slide in. Hey,
thank you.
Gary DM.
You're welcome. Because with TikTok, you can't send someone a DM if they're not following you.
Yes, you got.
Yeah, so.
But no, kana ha fetsa go mo follow back, ke di sleep in ya no. But ow, kanti. Ow, go wena.
Oh my God. I'm following back, thank you. Yo, I said to famous, you know one. So yeah,
It was celebrity. It was celebrity.
So it's those things. And yeah, I wanna go TikTok. The love is not even just TikTok and
social media generally.
Like, for me, it's
Opportunities that TikTok has brought. How are they?
I love them. Well, I didn't think one day I would be an MC, like the biggest MC that I am now. I just wanted.
You're huge.
I just wanted to, you know, push this thing at DJ, music wise, all of that. Until this one guy at like go shopong go Santini go Nkeberga go ting a re mfite ke go batla go Rustenburg lina la ga ke MK Makoloi go Rustenburg so ke serious a ron shasha go ka ke mmolela gore ke tla go shasha tshute so I want to okay fine re ke boela Rusty and then I get to go Rustenburg ke tla go fa deposit and then re ntshe post just like that yeah ke ra okay I am no stress da mane vela fitla am phonela re mfite ke veile sharp ke mo Rusty ko pala account number
o ka ro a lora
ke ra maybe da mane wa tshameka wa bo da mane mo nna re okay no di all white ke mo romela account number a tsenya madi a sna go tsenya madi be ke mo romela picture ba ntsa poster same time from there
it started
ebile ka gopola tsa sela teng we drove with some of my friends Master J le Thabiso na ke re go bona rentle ke go iragalang go Rastida ko chaneng ke tsena go chaneng mona you like the love is too much ke re mona what ba ba ntata yana yo what and it was for the first time ki MC and ki ba in such a huge crowd.
Sure.
I like it was pictures, videos. I didn't even MC like Sebaka because of it was too much.
It was just too much. I can imagine the feeling. And I'm a shy person, so being on stage and a crowd.
It was my first time ke go MC
Yeah.
So ke simotse le nna ke le shy ke sa itse gore ke a go reng o kula bona ai try man ai tse microphone and you know we actually just clean the buiwa tse wa bona then the crowd responded well I'm not DJ ta igananela ka mokgwa ne re igananela ka teng. And then from there we went to sleep. The following day I had a gig ko Moruleng. Yo, ko Moruleng it was Moruleng. Yo,
batho ba ko Moruleng le yang nar.
Yo, I was shocked that kitsa no ko Moruleng, like nengare ke Nelson Mandela, man. Like even I was thinking, man, it's just a thingy. A gig.
Yeah.
Like I think maybe it's at the home. Go Velgeval. Is it Velgeval? Yeah, then go Morlinda. I get say man like man. Ki following shop, and then we walk into the entrance. Like I was surrounded by the bodyguard, so I was in the middle, so the crowd was like, I'm like, what? Hey, Muna. I was like, what? Yo, that day I almost cried. Yo, guys, no. Yo, I remember I was. Because VIP again. If you want to take a picture, security, more entrancing, we take a picture, and then what? So I'm like, Jesus Christ. Then I was a security guard going with the coupe toilet. Yeah, mona. Haki it's what it's really Mayweather, man. You security, kita mahakare, kaya rota, by me camera haka kita rota. Haki sa rota happy kibuela moting. Kita like when I was like, God, what is happening? Like nigga shocked. When they out Palama stage, you get a microphone.
Massive.
Like that day, similar one the flashlight is tin the video. I'm like, what the hell? One of that day I guess Allah. That's really but if I go Moruleng that day, I don't put sitting so much love. Go the home. Rata batho ba Rustenburg lo tlhela.
Le utlwile se gana rare batho ba bodimo.
La ke tsama ke re go Skin Sun Village. Ke Sun Village ne? Molonyana motho ga Sun City.
Oh ke Sun Village.
Ke tsena mo.
Football leader gefa.
Football leader gefa. Ba bang le ba mpona ke mo teng ga koloi. Hey man.
A celebrity.
Yeah, no, the love is too much. Thank you so much, guys, for the love. December ke tseo di etla ke go ba le mbukeng hela re itjela
go senyege. You know what's next?
Next.
December ke tse di mo tseleng. You now understand the love that people have for it. December can't just be December.
December. I already have 2 gigs for December. And I go let's get the 3 ke ko Majakaning. Is it Majakaning? Brett.
Yeah. Brett Majakaning. Go rara tswa ko Majakaning link. Kana go fa le ke.
Just
info.
Offering pala ka info.
Ka info.
And more it will be my first gig.
Bobapong. I think ba Majakaning Bapong, Brett. Yeah.
Go ke tla be ke dlala here, I won't be an MC.
You won't be an MC.
Tla be ke di tobetsa ntate.
Yeah.
Tla be go hutswe go di busy re ganana re je sa monate. Re le monnotageng.
Go le monate.
Yeah. And then after that KZBP. Stock feeling go le Urutsi Stadium kwa ro yemora go teng.
Zira's Beach Party,
and then yeah, some are still loading.
Hey, motho ba gaetse motho wa buki. Hey, motho wa buki.
I might be in your city very soon. So yeah, and then yeah. Ke tse di confirmile for now. And
That's nice.
I know some are coming. A
More,
lot of them are
a
coming.
lot of
More
them are coming.
and more are
A
coming.
lot of more are coming.
It's gonna be a busy summer for me, and yeah,
Besides,
do what I do best.
I met you. Ah man, it's a month ago. Hey, like personally, where we met, and I love when I tulana go Zira's demo garage.
More garage.
Eitara, o monate ke monate. You are one of the biggest, people on TikTok. And I was wondering how you're gonna react to a person like me. Just gore ke a go bona wa mpona, you know? But the love that you had and how welcoming you were was just flip out of this world. To even come and do what we are doing right now, it's still something that I didn't think it would happen based on the numbers that we spoke about. Le gore batho ba bantsi ha ba kopa Joe, I'm doing this and this is why I'm doing this. Eba no tla founa Joe. O tla phone. But you didn't do that. And ke lemogile gore ke botho ba o nang le bone. And I really appreciate it. I wish you all the best because you deserve the best. Modimo ga go tsamaisa di kilometers tse di kana just because you were just supposed to walk them.
Yeah.
And this is not the last, not the first.
Never.
And Joe, I don't know what to say, but I think there's a lot to come. Not I think, I know there's a lot to come. Shows to come, albums to come, fashion shows to come, Chief.
Yes.
Fashion shows to come.
Diaparo di botlhokwa.
Why re lebala diaparo o jwa go gabilana?
Diaparo di botlhokwa. Guys. Metsi.
Wa tlo re batho ba tlhapi.
A go tlhapiweng.
A go tlhapiweng go apariweng.
Go itshelweng dikonkosi gore la re ke ding mo. Go tsamaiweng.
Di Dio.
Di Dio le di
itsheleng.
le di khatekeng. Le di phakorabane.
Why born? So Abudak, thanks a lot. For me, this is a brotherhood. And I really appreciate it. But before I wrap it up, you can say whatever that you want to say. Whether it so be it words of motivation, encouragement, whether promoting yourself or you are the guest. Whatever.
Well, santlhaele ke go leboge for the invite.
Yeah.
Ke tla ke bona di video tsa go on TikTok and I was like, who's this guy? And like go bona maloba ko Zira's too. It took me some time to remember, this guy ke a mo itse man. Motho ke a mo itse, this guy ke a mo itse. And the way we spoke nkare re khale re itsane.
Yes.
Ke re man, kana diamond ke manyo. And then after some time, I think the following door, you go, oh, that man out here, so. Motoki. And then, yeah, so I thank you so much for the invitation. I just want to say thank you so much for the love that people are showing.
Yeah.
And words of encouragement, again, whatever that you want to do it. It doesn't matter whether you simul like I or simul like Jang. All that matters is if you have to start where you are now, start similar, do whatever that you have to do. If you want to start TikTok, do it. Do whatever that you have to do. If there's that thing that's baining and do it. So start a similar and you never know. And thank you so much. Ke go pale mbukeng re mbogananeng December ke tseo di tlile. Re go ja di bonus. Thank you ke rata lotlhe. Thank you so much Lucky for the invite.
Thanks a lot my brother. La muitse ke seganana president ya basha. Re tla be re ja monate. O tla nthuta go ja monate. Gate ke a bo.
Evo Peru done